I'm back with another video. If you want your little keto snack, I got something for you. Some pork rinds, onion powder, lemon pepper, some garlic powder, seasoning salt, hot sauce, and some apple cider vinegar. And this is just as easy, but tastes so good. Get your bowl, pour whatever amount you want in there of pork rinds. Add you some vinegar, apple cider vinegar. I can't give you an exact measurement, but it's to taste. I like mine a little soggy. Some hot sauce. Love Texas Pete. Some seasoning salt, or you can use regular salt. Add a little bit to that. You can add any kind of seasoning, like I said. Onion powder, just a little bit. I don't need a lot. Lemon pepper. Some onion powder. And you just mix it up. Just go just like that. That look a little too dry for me. Add some more apple cider vinegar to it. Or you can use regular vinegar. Some more hot sauce. Shake it on up. Yeah. Don't knock it till you try it now. And there you have it. A little keto, low carb snack. Alright, see y'all in the next video.